Hello, my name is Paula Rodriguez, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Socrative in your classroom. Socrative is a tool that can be used to do informal or formal assessments. So to begin, I'm going to click on Teacher Login. I already have an account, but if you would like to create one, you can click on Create an Account, or you can also sign in through Google and link that up with Socrative. So I'm going to sign in. So this is the home page and how it looks. You have 5 tabs along the top: a launch tab, quizzes, rooms, reports, and results. These are the 3 types of formal or informal assessments that you can give to your students. So there's a quiz, a space race, or an exit ticket, and then below these are the types of questions that you can include into your quiz. So I'm going to go to quizzes, and I already have some quizzes created, but I want to show you how to create a quiz. So to add a quiz, you can put create new or import a quiz. And then, so I'm going to start off with a quiz, and I'm going to click on this one since I already have one. This will show the list of quizzes you already have. So I'm going to put next. There's 3 options: instant feedback, open navigation, or teacher pace. I'm going to select instant feedback, and you can change these as much as you'd like. Show final score to not, or to show feedback or not. I'm going to put start, and then this is generated. So as students log into your room where the quiz is at, their names will show up and their answers will show up real time. So for students to be able to access your quiz, you're going to have to give them this code at the top. That is the code for them to enter the quiz that you've created. So mine is Rodriguez 2960. So I'm just going to show you what that looks like. So students will need to have this link to be able to type in to get to this page or to this portal. So mine is 2960, and I'm going to put join, and then my name, and then I'm going to do great on this quiz, true, submit. Is this a test? True. Okay, so I only did 2 types of questions there, and this is what the students see once they are done taking the quiz, but this is what the teacher sees. So the progress means I'm 100% done. My score, I got 100%. So once you want to finish with the quiz, you just put finish. You can either view chart or get reports. You can get a whole class Excel sheet of the report. You can get an individual student's PDF form, or you can get a question specific PDF, and you can either email it or download it. I'm going to put view chart, and once you click view chart, that means that the quiz has ended and students can no longer participate in that quiz, like you've closed that quiz up. So another feature is space race. So a space race, you also select a quiz, so I'm going to select the same quiz, and then ask you for the number of teams. Excuse me. So you can select however many teams you'd like, up to 20. So I'm just going to click 4 teams. You can either auto assign or student choice, and then you can also change the icon, but I'll just stick with the rocket. And let's put start. So this is what it looks like. So you can display this like in your classroom, like on your Promethean board or your overhead. And then this is what it looks like for the students. So I'm going to use the same code to get into that. And then I spelled my name wrong, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so that one was different because it gave me feedback. So when I submit the answer, it tells me it's wrong, and then it tells me what the right answer is. And then once I'm done, it shows me that, and then it'll show like where I am. So since I got the answers wrong, like you can see live feedback from other students and how they're doing, so it's more competitive. So I'll put finish on that. I'll view chart. That means I've ended the quiz, and then my score was 50% and my progress 100% done. The last thing is an exit ticket. So the exit ticket looks like this. These are the 3 questions that the exit ticket will ask. So I like this because you can use this every single day at the end of your classroom. It's how well did you understand today's material, and it's based off of a Likert scale. So totally got it, pretty well, not very well, and not at all. What did you learn in today's class? That's a short answer. And then please answer the teacher's question. So you can write a question on the board that they can answer. And then it'll give you live feedback, but I'm not going to do that one. And then you can see the same thing. So Socrative is a very good tool to be able to use in your classroom for informal or formal assessments.